Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually install a StarTime decoder, a satellite decoder, and a Gotv decoder using just one cable. So let's say they have already laid a cable in wherever you need to do your installation, and you are to install both an antenna for your Gotv and the satellite dish to get your StarTime signal, and then connect it through just one cable onto the receiving end. So in this case, you need a tool that will allow you to actually get the signal onto just one cable. So you need a tool called a signal combiner or a diplacer. So get two of this two, and that will be helpful. So you have an antenna port on a diplacer and a satellite port. The antenna port, that is for your antenna signal, and the satellite ports to connect the signal for your StarTime dish or your StarTime signal. And here, that's the receiving and then giving ports at the same time. So you can use it to receive the signal, and you can use it to also give the signal to another device. Alright, so all you got to do is to connect your antenna cable or the cable that is getting you the Gotv signal onto the antenna port of the diplacer, and a cable from the LNB on top of the dish that will be getting you your StarTime signal. Connect it onto the satellite port, the SAT port over here for the diplacer. And here you need to connect the cable that they have already laid over there, or the cable that you want to lay if you just want to use a one cable to do this installation. You connect that cable over here, and at the receiving end, wherever you need to get both signal for the Gotv and then the StarTime, you need to add another diplacer over there. So you connect your other diplacer over there, and a cable from the antenna ports of the diplacer goes to your Gotv RF in port, and a cable from the satellite port of the diplacer at the receiving end goes to your StarTime decoder. Alright, so the same will apply to having a StarTime decoder and installing any digital receiver or terrestrial receiver, or you are getting the signal to get your digital channel from your built-in TV. Alright, so that's it. From the LNB and the antenna to the first diplacer, and from that to the cable, you connect the cable that I have already laid, and then at the receiving end, you connect another diplacer over there to the Gotv and the StarTime decoder respectively, and you are good to go. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, and when you hear, all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you come back for more. Thanks for watching.